we are starting with uh, next book. We are starting with next paper, Chem 202. So we are starting with the first section of this paper, section A, that is hydrogen, chapter hydrogen. So hydrogen is the third most abundant element on the surface of Earth, and it is found in many planets, and it is also found in the sun, and it undergoes nuclear fusion in the sun, and it leads to the production of helium, and along with that a positron, and a large amount of energy is released. Now, one of the most peculiar features of the hydrogen is that its unique position of hydrogen in the periodic table. It is the first element of the periodic table, and its atomic number is 1. Then its configuration is 1s1, and it has 1 proton and 1 electron. It resembles both alkali metals and halogens. Therefore, its position is anomalous. Its properties, they match both that of the alkali metal and that of the halogens. That is due to the electronic configuration of this element, that because of which it resembles alkali metal as well as halogens. So first of all, we will do how it resembles with alkali metals. You can see the electronic configuration. Like alkali metals, it has 1 electron in its valence shell. It has 1 electron in its valence shell. 1s1, all the alkali, किसी भी alkali metal की आप electronic configuration लिख लीजिए, they all have 1 electron in their valence shell, like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, each and every one. So that is why, due to the presence of 1 electron in the valence shell, it resembles alkali metal in many of their properties. Second is electropositive character. Now it has property of acting in an electropositive manner like that of alkali metals. Hydrogen H positive plus electron. Electropositive means ability to form positively charged ion or ability to lose electron, that is called as electropositivity. तो इसकी जो electropositivity है, it resembles to that of alkali metals. Like hydrogen, it easily loses electrons, forms H positive. Similarly, all other electropositive elements in the group, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they also easily lose their respective 1 electron which is in the valence shell and form electropositive ion. Then third, valency and oxidation state. Hydrogen shows oxidation state of 1 like all the alkali metals. Obviously, it will show plus 1 electron, plus 1 oxidation state only because it has only 1 electron in its valence shell. So next is combination with electronegative elements. It forms binary compounds with electronegative elements such as halogen, oxygen and sulfur in a similar manner as these alkali metals shows. For example, halides same manner में बनाएगा जैसे बाकी जो आपके alkali metals हैं वो बनाते हैं. For example, HCl is formed by hydrogen, तो NaCl and KCl they are formed by these alkali metals. Then sulfides, H2S is formed by this hydrogen. Then sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide, that is formed by your alkali metals. Water, hydrogen hydroxide, its another name is dihydrogen oxide also. If it is formed by hydrogen, then sodium oxide and potassium oxide, that is formed by alkali metals. Then another very important feature in which it resembles the alkali metal is liberation at cathode. At cathode, you see all cations, whenever the electrolysis takes place, anions they move towards anode and cations they move towards cathode. So whenever electrolysis occurs, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप HCl का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस कर रहे हैं तो आपका जो पॉजिटिव आयन है H पॉजिटिव, दैट विल मूव टुवर्ड कैथोड एंड हाइड्रोजन इज लिबरेटेड एट कैथोड. Similarly, in case of if you have taken molten halide of any of the this alkali metal, here we are taking sodium chloride, so what will happen when you will electrolysis will occur, this sodium that you can extract, that will be extracted at cathode, and Cl2 at anode. So in this way also जो आपका this hydrogen है, it resembles your alkali metals. So these are the features in which it resembles alkali metals. So next we will do in the next class we will do how it resembles with the halogens. Thank you.